Hello friends, today we are going to discuss trihedral figures labeling. Okay, in last lecture we discussed the things related to the constant satisfaction problem. What was the concept and what are the constraints over there? If you wanted to solve the particular complex problem at that time, the constraint should be satisfied. The precondition must be satisfied. Then and then only the given problem is to be solved. Okay, that's why this problem is called as constraint satisfaction problem. Now, what are the different technologies or algorithms over there? Decision problem, heuristic searching, A star, AO star, non heuristic, DFS and BFS. Okay. Uh, Examples are Sudoku and Queen problem. Okay. Also, we discussed the simple algebraic expression, that is 2 plus 3 into 4. So, first of all, we have to calculate the 3 into 4 and then we will calculate 2 plus, and what will be the result of 3 into 4. Okay, so these are the few things we discussed in last lecture. Now today we discuss the things related to the trihedral figures labeling. Now, what is figures labeling? It is the process of identification of edges and vertices of a given object. What is figures labeling? It is the process of identification of edges and vertices of a given object. There are two types of figures, trihedral and non-trihedral. Okay, so what is the concept of trihedral and non-trihedral? We will discuss with the example in upcoming section. Now, what is trihedral vertex? It is the vertex at which exactly three surfaces are meets. As its name suggests, in trihedral vertex, exactly there are only three surfaces are meets, and exactly opposite to the non-trihedral, in that at least one trihedral vertex is available. Okay, what is trihedral? In which there are three surfaces are meets, and in non-trihedral at least one trihedral vertex is to be meets. Okay, now what are the different types of edges? There are three types of edges: an obscuring edge, an concave edge, convex edge. Okay, so these are the three edges. Now first, an obscuring edge, a boundary between the object, or between objects and the background. So what is obscuring edge? A boundary between objects or between the object, and which is to be shown with the help of single arrow. Okay, we will see over here. Now next, concave edge, an edge between two faces that form an acute angle less than 90 when viewed from the outside the object. Okay, so we will see just like this here. So we will discuss this thing with the example. Okay, convex edge, an edge between two faces that form an obtuse, that is greater than 90 angle when viewed from the outside of the object. This is called as convex edge. Now trihedral object, an object having three intersecting plane at each junction, or what we can say that it is the vertex at which exactly three surfaces are meets. Okay, first mark the boundary edges of the object by arrowhead. Then for each boundary check edges plus for convex and minus for concave. So concave shows minus, and convex, that shows plus. So this is our object, and there are 6 nodes or vertices whenever we seen from convex edge, that are A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now next, for the figures edge labeling. So here, arrowhead describe the obscuring edge. Arrowhead describe the obscuring edge, and the concave edge can be shown with the help of minus symbol. We can see over here, for the junction J to E we see minus, for the junction J to B we can shown with the help of convex edge. Okay, thus in this way we draw the figures or draw the edge labeling. Okay, now next, types of trihedral object, that is L. Suppose cube is over there, so we can see just like L shape, fork just like Y shape, arrow. Okay, just see over here, arrow is seen over here, arrow, then T. Okay, so T can be shown with the help of different things. Okay, whenever we describe T, at that time there are different 18 possible trihedral vertices there. So we will discuss this thing for T, arrow and fork, and T, arrow, fork and L shape. There are different 18 trihedral vertices. Okay, so first we will see second is their convex edge, 3, 4th. For arrow, convex and concave edge, 5th, 6th number, convex edge. For 7, convex and concave edge. For 8, okay, fork, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 5 edges are available. This is the convex edge. This is purely concave edge. This is also 10 number concave edge, 11 number concave edge, 12 number concave edge. Okay, now next, these are the things related to the which are related to the concave edge, and what are the different trihedral vertices which are available. Okay, so one remaining, that is L shape. For L shape there is a simple L shape which are available. Okay, that is just like in this way. So these are the things which are related to the convex and concave edge and trihedral objects figures labeling. Okay, now next lecture we are discuss the things related to the Wahl's algorithm. Okay, thank you.